Now click onto the A sign also.
Yeah.
Now you can, in this place, you can keep your, or you can name your experiment. So like for example, we can keep it as demo dated 5 November, or you can keep it your as.
Yeah, test 1.
Press it OK.
Okay.
Now automatically the instrument what does is basically it copies the last experiment which was run.
Okay.
So into the second column, or maybe like third column, wherein you have methods, and there you will find 3 dots are being there. Click on that part. The methods and method. The second one I would say. One is the numbering would be there, second is the experiment name, third is the method. Now you see there onto the lower side, it was the same place. Yeah. Onto the lower side you will see that there is create method.
Create new.
Method library is also there.
Yeah.
So you can click onto method library also if you have already a predefined method for your samples. Or you first want to, if you want to search, you can search it from the method library. You just click onto the method library.
Okay.
And you see there are 3 tabs at the right hand side, which is acid digestion, extraction and synthesis.
Yeah, acid digestion, extraction and synthesis.
Yeah, so you can tick or you can check the mark of acid digestion.
Okay.
And you will have a search option will be there. So you can search it with your say plastic material or anything.
Search
like
option.
you want to search it.
Cancel.
You can see at the left hand side you have different methods which are being available now.
Yeah.
Because your instrument has been checked with rotor 24 HVT 50, so you will find the methods which are being prepared on rotor 24 HVT 50.
Rotor 24.
Or maybe rotor 8.
Yeah, here it's rotor 8 NXF 100.
Okay.
Everything.
So you can come down also by the scroll down bar.
Polyester.
Yeah.
Okay, if you see.
Everything is rotor 8 NXF 100.
Okay. So you can cancel this also. Or maybe back. Yeah. You create new.
Create new.
Likewise, you can prepare your own experiment or own method first, suppose.
Okay.
So you can give the method name first.
Yeah, method name.
Okay. There will be second tab sample ID or something like that would be there.
That is method note.
Method note. Okay. So if you want, you can write something onto it, but it will not impact your experiment or the method, because it is like, suppose for example you have a batch ID or you have a sample naming, something like that. You can put it there.
Okay.
Or it may be kept blank also.
Then sample weight.
What is the third?
Sample weight.
Yeah, sample weight. This is also for your information. It will not impact the instrument performance.
Okay.
So you selected, like say I have taken 500 mg of sample weight. So it will be for your information. Once the reaction will be completed, this every data which you have filled it here, it will be coming onto your report also.
Okay.
Okay. So you can select it as 500 mg. Then you check onto the rotor. I think third one will be the rotor now.
Yeah, then acid application group. Is it?
Yeah, it is acid digestion only. The application is.
Okay, then third is rotor.
That the rotor you selected the rotor. Which rotor is coming there?
8 NXF 100 24 HVT 550.
You select 24 HVT 50.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now It will be the, just tell me that what all tabs are being available.
Number of vessels, program type, temperature control mode.
Sir, one by one we'll go to that. So number of vessels, like it will be in the configuration of like 4 multiplications of 4.
Okay.
So like if you are taking 4 vessels, you can write it down 4. So with the number of vessels, you will be restricted to some power. So you
Okay.
can check it by say you put 4 vessels into it, say 4 only,
Okay.
and press OK.
Okay.
So you will see there will be power which will be 900 watts, I think so.
Power.
800.
800 watt.
800 watts.
Yeah.
Now you change it again the number of vessel to like say 8 or 12.
Yeah. Now it's 1000 watt.
So now it has increased it.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is for basically this point. Now third point will be program type, I think so.
Yeah. Program type.
So you will, when you will click onto the program type, there will be
Temperature control and
Four
power
thing.
control.
temperature controlled and power controlled.
Yeah.
So you will select temperature control. Okay. Now another tab.
Temperature control mode maximum.
Yes. Now there are 3 modes which are available, sir.
Yeah.
One is the temperature control mode when it is minimum. Second is maximum.
Third is
And
average.
average. Okay.
Yeah.
If you are taking same type of matrices, suppose I have 24 samples of soil only.
Okay.
So then you select as maximum mode.
Okay.
Okay. If you sir, please.
Yeah.
Someone was asking something or?
No.
Okay. Then if suppose you have different type of samples, like what I have taken is basically 4 different type of matrices I have been there.
Yeah.
I have milk powder, I have coffee powder, I have minimum will be very less, it will be used sir into your suppose because it is only being used for like say feed sample or say water sample only.
Okay.
Okay. So if you have selected the average mode, then will be the limits will be there. So
No.
what is the next step, sir?
Next step, maximum pressure, increase rate and maximum pressure in bars. But
Okay.
it's not
So maximum
accessible.
pressure, I think it will be 20 bar only there.
No, nothing is there and it's not accessible. You cannot access and edit anything.
You cannot access it. You cannot access it because of the HVT vessels.
Okay.
These HVT vessels are automatically being controlled, so you will not have a limit of it.
Okay.
Okay. The next step.
Then maximum power.
So maximum power, it is automatically been taken to like say I think 1200 watts
Yeah.
or
No,
1100
1000 watt.
something like that.
1000 watt.
Huh?
1000 watt.
1000 watts. Okay. So the number of vessels what you have selected somewhere?
12.
It was 12 or some
12.
12. Okay. So that's why it is selected on 1000 watts. That's, then it will be the maximum I think temperature.
Internal temperature limit 200 degrees Celsius.
Okay. The next step.
Steps and recipe.
Steps and recipe. Sir, the internal temperature limit which you are selecting, it will be depending upon the sample matrices.
Okay.
Like for an example, if you are selecting maximum mode
Okay.
and you have food material, so you can select it as 180 or 185.
Okay.
Okay. Now you are taking polymer as a material as a sample, so 200 degrees centigrade will be more than sufficient for you.
Okay.
Okay. Now you go on to steps.
Steps.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now a new window will be opened, wherein the first will be, you read the first part. It will be
Temperature,
like, I think,
temperature ramp, temperature hold, cooling.
yes. So drop down menu will be available, sir, for the temperature mode.
Yeah.
So temperature ramp is there. Another will be hold to temperature in time, something like that.
Yeah, heat to temperature in time.
Heat to temperature in time.
Yeah.
So these 2 modes are being available. If you select temperature ramp,
Yeah.
okay, so instrument will automatically decide how much time it is being required. Second is heat to temperature end time. So suppose you put the temperature as say suppose 150 degrees centigrade and within like say 15 minutes of time. So
Okay.
instrument will go to 150 degrees centigrade within 15 minutes of time.
Okay.
Okay. So any of the things can be selected. So you selected as heat to temperature in time.
Heat to temperature
Okay.
in time. Okay.
Now you program it as 100 degree first.
100 degree.
Within like 10 or 15 minutes of time. I would say 15 minutes. Fan speed will be 1.
Fan level.
Fan level 1.
Okay.
It is 1 only. Second is the temperature hold, or maybe like I could
Temperature
like
hold.
hold time.
Temperature hold.
So you keep it 5 minutes there. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you at the bottom you will see there is insert step.
Yeah.
So you click on that.
Okay.
It is coming above the temperature hold, or it is coming below the temperature hold.
Below the temperature hold.
It is below the temperature hold, na?
Yeah.
Okay. So again you select like heat to temperature in time.
Okay.
Now within again 15 minutes of time. And target temperature would be 190 degrees centigrade.
To temperature 190 degree 15 minutes.
Now again select as insert step.
Insert step.
Insert step, it is done. Then it
Yeah.
is temperature hold, like the whole time. Select that whole time. And hold it for 35 minutes or 40 minutes, or maybe 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Or 35 minutes, you can increase also. It depends upon the sample to sample, sir.
Okay. Everywhere
Like
fan
for
speed will be
polymer
1.
sample, like for polymer sample, we may take it to around like say 30-35 minutes or 40 minutes depending upon the polymer material.
Okay.
But now it's the first time, so you take it to 30 minutes or 35 minutes.
Okay.
Whatever may be. Okay.
Yeah.
And the last step will be the cooling.
Yeah. Last step is the cooling.
And what is the temperature? It is 55 degree.
55.
Okay, you can increase it to 60 or 65 also. This can be in the range of 40 to 70 degrees centigrade.
Okay. 40 to 70.
Yeah. If you click onto that temperature tab, hold the last step. If you can just click onto that, sir.
Cooling.
Cooling.
Yeah. Cooling.
Temperature.
Yeah.
If you write 10 degrees centigrade there, write 10.
Yeah.
Click OK.
Yeah. Enter value between 30 to 70.
30 to 70 degrees.
Yeah.
So it is like between 30 to 70 degrees.
Okay.
So you can put in between the range of.
Yeah. We put 60.
Okay. So it is 60 degrees centigrade, and you select OK.
Yeah. The fan level speed will be 3 or 1.
Yeah, the fan level speed will be 3.
Okay.
Automatically into the cooling stage, it will be fan
Three.
level 3.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah. Done.
Okay, then last step.
Okay. Then the
Now you see
recipe.
what is there?
Recipe.
Recipe.
Yeah.
Okay. So recipe is basically the acid.
Okay.
Which acid you are using for digesting the sample.
Okay. We are using hydrochloric acid and nitric acid.
You can put it down. It is only for the reference of your friends or your colleagues there. So if suppose someone is again doing the same kind of sample, so he can take the same thing. This will not impact the programming of or the reaction. It is only for the information that for this particular samples I have taken these acid combinations. Okay?
Yeah.
Done?
Yeah, done.
Okay?
Yeah.
So press OK. Again press OK.
Okay.
So now you see that your method experiment name was there. Now
Yeah.
method is what you have selected.
Yeah.
Okay? Now you can close the vessel, sir.
Okay.